we're asking for the copy of the letter of the mayor. This is not the copy of the mayor. We need some propriety here, Mr. Chair. Pinaglululoko na tayo ng mga taong ito. This is a certification.
For the
This is
information of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, it was submitted to us by the SP Secretary. SP Secretary, please take the seat in front.
a certification ito eh. Oh. Hindi naman yung letter eh.
SP? Eh,
Nasaan po yung letter
hindi
na
ito
sinasabi
request
natin?
namin.
Your Honor, please, yung pong file ko, as I said during the first meeting, Your Honor, I have to verify in my office whether there is a certification of urgency available on file, Your Honor. Pagkatapos ko pong tinignan yung files namin, wala pong certification of urgency na nakikita on file. But since it is approved, certified urgent by the members, Your Honor, now I am certifying based on the.
I just want to cut you. What we are asking is the document, SP Secretary. Now, ang certification mo, proving that indeed there is a request from the mayor, di ba? For urgency. Pero ang hinanap namin dito yung dokumento, hindi po yung SP. Kaya nga in question ngayon to, dahil question namin yung desisyon ng SP. Nang sangguniang pangbayan. And you're telling us, what we need is the document. Now, if you don't have the document, indeed, hindi totoo po. Nagpadalang mayor.
Your Honor, yung pong, let me explain, Your Honor. Yung pong, kaya nga po sabi ko nung unang hearing natin, I think I was several times asked about this, whether that certification is available in my office. During the time, I'm not very sure, Your Honor. Now, I am telling the Honorable Committee, Your Honor, after a diligent effort to find the document, I cannot find one, Your Honor. Maybe because it was not filed in my office or it was given directly to the Vice Mayor or the presiding officer during that time. But I am certifying since it is in the minutes of the meeting that it was approved, certified urgent, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, the right protocol. Oh.
Manakop has requested all the documents. Now, Chairman Manakop, pero of course, we will discuss about the submission of the SP Secretary. All those other documents, COMSEC would just check if, as of today, this morning, na-submit na ba yung mga dokumento, no? But of course, yung question of the document that was submitted by the SP Secretary, pwede natin tuloy yun pag-discuss.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Sandali, one,
wait.
isa na,
Just to clarify the procedure on certifying as urgent a resolution, because I came from an LGU also. Before the mayor or the secretary can certify a resolution as urgent, there must be a letter coming from the chief executive, in this case, whether the mayor or the governor, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan or the Sangguniang Panlalawigan to certify as urgent this certain resolution. Without that request, how can you certify something that was never requested before? So, malamang yan, binudo lang yan, wala namang request. Ngayon, dahil nahuli nga sila, nag-certify ngayon ng issue ng certification. That certification can always be antedated. The proper procedure, just like as the president, if he wants something, a bill passed, he certifies it urgent, he sends a letter to Congress. Ganun din po sa LGU, whether provincial government or municipal government. So in this case, you did not follow the proper procedure. How can you certify something as urgent when there was never a request from the mayor? Yun lang po, Mr.
Thank you, Congressman Pimentel. Anyway, before I recognize Vice Chair Flores, Secretary, ang nirequest mo kasi last hearing, yung dokumento mismo, hindi mo nakita. Di ba? Oh. Why did you make a certification? Ang hinahanap dito sa committee, sadali. Please, wait to be recognized before you speak. Ang hinahanap dito last hearing is the document itself. Yung request, certified urgent. Yun ang hinahanap. Now, sabi mo kanina, hindi mo nakita. Then why did you certify? Because the order of this committee is to produce that document, not your certification. Ano?
Yeah, answer, Your Honor.
Of course, please proceed.
Yung pong ang SB Secretary po kung ano lang po file sa office ko, I will take care of that document as an official record of the council. Yung pong pag sinabi ng mga SB members, certified urgent yan, I cannot question that, Your Honor. Kasi po,
Oh.
I cannot be better than them, Your Honor.
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
Chairman Fernandez. Now, what I'm telling you, this
Correct tayo,
committee
GU dito eh.
directed you to produce the document, di ba? O walang dokumento, tama? Bakit ka magsicertify? Kasi ang order ng committee is for you to produce. Now you're justifying yung question ngayon doon sa issue ng certificate of urgency.
May I answer, Your Honor.
Oh,
Apo,
I just like to warn you. Pag inulit-ulit mo yung sagot mo, hindi ka pwedeng lumusot dito. Kasi alam na namin na hindi mo nakita. Na ang tanong ko, please diretso mong sagutin. Bakit ka nag-certify hindi mo nakita?
may I read my certification for the record, Your Honor? Ano po? May I read?
There will be no need, Mr. Chair. Maliwanag na po ito. Ano po ang pangalan nyo?
George Carino po.
George Carino, ikaw ang Sangguniang Bayan Secretary.
Opo.
Ilagay mo doon sa minutes of the meeting, January 14, 2020, na certified urgent itong resolution na ito. It is in the minutes. Ito, nakalagay rito. Sinertify mo na urgent dahil sa sinabi ng mga members ng Sanggunian?
Yes, sir.
Ganun ba ang patakaran ninyo ngayon? Pag sinabi nilang urgent without even looking at the certification or letter of urgency by the mayor, gagawin mo na certified urgent?
Based po dun po, opo, kapag sinabi po nila. Kasi
Pag sinabi ng sanggunian mo nang hindi mo nakikita yung sulat ng mayor, isa-certify mo?
based po dun sa minutes na sinabi.
Hindi, ang tanong ni ni Dante Marcoleta,
tinatanong ko sa'yo,
walang letter, sinabi na ng sanggunian,
Mr. Chair, sumumpa na ba ito?
Dito po sa minutes
Sandali
namin.
lang. Walang letter. Tama o hindi?
Opo, tama po.
O, bakit ka nag-certify na urgent coming from the office of the mayor nandito sa minutes? Nang
Kasi po,
hindi mo nakikita yung letter.
kasi po sabi ng presiding officer,
Teka muna, tinatanong ko, bakit ka nag-certify dito sa minutes mo na merong certified urgent sa mayor nang wala?
based po dun sa sinabi ng
So
presiding.
ano paniniwalaan mo? Yung letter ng mayor o yung based sa sinabi ng mga kasama mo sa konseho ninyo?
With due respect, Your Honor, siyempre po kung anong sinabi ng presiding officer at kami po kaming SB Secretary o ako bilang SB Secretary, kumukuha lang po ako ng notes based doon sa mga sinasabi ng membro. That is only my job, Your Honor.
Oh, andyan po si Mayor. Mayor, nandyan po kayo. Totoo po ba na wala kayong letter?
Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, the honorable members of the committee. At the previous meeting na po natin on February 14,
Hindi nga, wala kayong letter,
Wala
di ba?
I denied already that I did not issue a certified urgent.
Oh, dinideny niya.
Yes,
Sino po
opo.
nagsising? Meron pong makukulong sa inyo. Either kayo o yung inyong
Lahat po sila
secretary ng
nag-confirm
Sangguniang
na
Bayan.
Nag-certified ako. Wala po. Lahat ng members of the councils na nagsabi.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Inuulit ko lang po yung nakarang nating hearing, no? I denied already the certificate of urgency of that resolution, but all of the members of the council, the Sangguniang Bayan, confirmed that I certified a copy of urgency without any documents that they can present today.